Keystone Area Education Agency's 7 occupational therapists and 6 occupational therapy assistants work with students whose motor deficits affect their independence in feeding, dressing, playing with toys, self-regulation, written literacy, hands-on use of school materials, and positioning to enhance access to the school environment and materials.
It's hard for her to pick up little things with her fingers. You know, she'd grab the whole thing with her hand, and then after a while she finally, she learned with help, through Keystone, how to pick up little things and using her fingers. And
occupational therapists serve children birth to 3 in their homes or community environments to enhance the ability of the caregivers to meet the child's developmental needs.
We've been doing physical therapy, early education, and occupational therapy with him, all of which have been extraordinarily beneficial to him. He's come a long, long way from when we first met.
Occupational therapists are skilled in analyzing student tasks, breaking them down into manageable steps, and designing child-specific modifications and interventions to promote a child's greatest level of independence. OTs educate and collaborate with school staff to ensure effective and consistent carryover of the recommended modifications and interventions in the school setting.
They really do help me with their expertise. They have so much more expertise in their area than I do, so they collaborate with me so I can follow up things in the classroom, and then they come and they just make sure that everything is progressing how it should.
OTs have the ability to see the child as they can be, not as they are at this one moment. They strive daily to help the child achieve their highest level of functioning possible. Through creative imaginations, flexible collaborations, and original ideas, occupational therapists promote and celebrate student successes.
Keystone is more like our family though, because they're like our family. They come into our house, they look out for her.